Alright YouTube, just a quick video. I just went and picked up Toyota part number 84040-06070, available at any Toyota dealer, online, everywhere, etc. This is all it looks like. Basically a set of switches. You got your auto up down on all four, same as the other ones you got in here. So very simple to do. You can get these little tools at Harbor Freight or a lot of places real cheap. They're just little plastic pry tools. You just want to get that in just behind like so, and just give it a little pop there. Lift up and then just pull this way. You can see there's a little lip here and squeezes in and out. So that goes in first during reassembly. Once you get it out, you'll notice they just have little tabs here. You want to push in on that tab with your finger, or push down on it, and with your pry tool, just pull away nice and smooth. 3 Phillips screws. We're going to go ahead and remove those. Nice and easy, we don't want to strip anything. It's all 3 screws loose. You want to put those in a safe place. Set your assembly off to the side. There's your factory RAV4 assembly. There's the factory 2018 Camry assembly. Identical, just cheaper, obviously. So, reassembly, as always, is opposite. Make sure everything lines up. Nice and smooth. We'll put our 3 screws back in. Probably a good idea to put them in a little bit one at a time so they don't get lost. Make sure you don't get your drill bit into your nice seat. That'll bum you out. So, I'm just reinstalling. And I have it turned way down so I don't strip. That's why you're hearing it skip. This just simply snaps back into place. Again, we have this little hook here that goes into that lip. So that part goes in first. You'll feel it kind of bite. Once you feel it bite, just press everything back in. And there's your assembly. And I don't have my keys, but you can see they're lit up as they should be from the factory. Thanks for watching.